Okay. Um, we already verified the email in the previous video. I received the code, the SMS, right? This is a 6-digit code. When I put the 6 digit, tells me I can click on the green button. Great. You see, phone verified. So everything was successfully created, and I just have to click on begin, and there we have it. I have successfully created the account. Now I am in the section of configuration where I have to follow these two steps in order to start being using the account, because of course first time this is a software that you create, as a manager you create the accounts of your workers, right? And your workers have to install the program or you install it to them. And that's why you have two steps, very clear: create team and download and install Word to Cloud Desktop. But if you want, this section has its own tutorial, which is also very small and very simple. And if you want to go to this tutorial, click on this question mark and you will see this tutorial. Okay, see you and welcome to Word to Cloud. Bye bye.